Welcome to a journey back in time where we explore the captivating mystery surrounding the extinction of the dinosaurs. It was an era when colossal creatures roamed the earth, but their reign came to a sudden and dramatic end. What killed the dinosaurs? Let's dive into the prevailing theories and scientific evidence. The most widely accepted theory points to a catastrophic event known as the KPG extinction. Approximately 66 million years ago, a colossal asteroid estimated to be about 10 kilometers, 6 miles in diameter, collided with our planet. This impact, in what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, unleashed unimaginable destruction. The impact generated an enormous shock wave, triggering widespread fires, mega-earthquakes, and towering tsunamis. The sheer force expelled an immense amount of dust, debris, and vaporized rock into the atmosphere. The sky darkened, blocking sunlight and causing a dramatic drop in temperature. The aftermath of the impact created an inhospitable environment for life on Earth. Sunlight was scarce, hindering photosynthesis and devastating the primary producers at the bottom of the food chain. As the vegetation dwindled, herbivorous dinosaurs struggled to find sustenance. With their food supply greatly diminished, the domino effect reached the carnivorous dinosaurs, who relied on them for survival. However, the story doesn't end there. The impact also released immense amounts of gases and chemicals into the atmosphere, leading to global climate disruption. Acid rain fell from the skies, further damaging ecosystems. The combination of darkness, cooling, and disrupted climate conditions triggered a mass extinction event of epic proportions. The consequences were devastating. The dinosaurs, including the mighty T-Rex and the towering Brachiosaurus, along with numerous other species, met their untimely demise. But, amidst the destruction, a new chapter began. The extinction of the dinosaurs created a void in Earth's ecosystems, providing an opportunity for other life forms to flourish. Mammals, which had been small and relatively inconspicuous during the age of the dinosaurs, seized this opportunity to diversify and evolve. These small, resilient creatures who once scurried in the shadows now emerged as dominant beings. Over millions of years, mammals thrived, evolving into various shapes and sizes, ultimately leading to the rise of our own species. The asteroid impact, though catastrophic for the dinosaurs, ultimately shaped the world we know today. It allowed mammals to inherit the Earth, and we owe our existence to the untimely demise of those prehistoric giants. So, what killed the dinosaurs? It was the combination of an asteroid impact, devastating environmental changes, and the subsequent collapse of ecosystems. The story of their extinction is a reminder of the fragile balance of life on our planet and the incredible resilience of nature. Join us next time as we continue to unravel the mysteries of our extraordinary world. Until then, keep exploring and questioning the wonders that surround us.